Hey guys, what's up? Tell me if you know where we are. We are on the train line. Let me give you a hint. You see the highway over there, so? You see the new gas station? You see down the road there, so that's leading to Spanish Town. Alright guys, let me give you it. We are in Old Harbour. Yes folks, we do deliver in Old Harbour. So if you live in and around the Old Harbour area, remember we deliver your items to your doorstep. And we have one of our customers. I have a very nice son, look at it, and I hope you forgive me. I have one of our customers here. Hello ma'am, how you doing? You're fine, you're picking up your big old box. Yeah, you like it? You like the shipping service?
It's cheap and fast.
Alright, you hear that? She said the service is cheap and fast. And look for her box heavy. Who gonna help you with it? She have somebody. Let me show you guys. Anna. See somebody that she have about. She have somebody. Yeah? So guys, listen, remember. Say no, then I hear you.
I'm happy with the service.
Alright guys, you hear that? She happy with the service. So remember guys, if you're in the Old Harbour here area, we do deliver to your doorstep. Alright? So the lady there with her big old box and the guy over there is going to help her. Alright guys, there's a link somewhere on the video or in the description. Click on the link, or if it's in the video, write it off. Go ahead so you can ship your items or big old heavy boxes. And she said it was what, miss? It was?
And fast.
Quick and fast and cheap too, right?
Yes.
Alright guys, catch you later. Bye bye. Old Harbour, one of there. Out. Alright, the man say Old Harbour under the train line. Out. Alright guys, later. Bye bye.